A normal day can change everything. Hello. This is a simple story. The words are easy. The story is slow and clear. This story is about daily life. It is about habits. It is about learning to take care of yourself. There was a woman named Lily. Lily was 30 years old. She lived in a small city. The city was not too big. It was busy in the day and quiet at night. Lily lived in a small apartment. The apartment was on the 3rd floor. It had 1 bedroom, 1 kitchen, and 1 small balcony. Lily lived alone. She worked in a small office. Her job was not special. She answered emails. She made reports. She talked to customers. Lily's life looked normal. Very normal. Every day, Lily woke up at the same time. 6:30 in the morning. When the alarm rang, Lily often felt tired. She did not want to get up. She pressed the alarm once. Sometimes twice. Then she sat up slowly. She rubbed her eyes. She sighed. Another day, she said quietly. Lily did not hate her life. But she did not feel excited either. She went to the bathroom. She brushed her teeth. She washed her face. She looked at herself in the mirror. Her hair was messy. Her eyes looked sleepy. She tied her hair back. Then she went to the kitchen. In the kitchen, Lily made coffee. She drank coffee every morning. Sometimes she ate bread. Sometimes she ate nothing. She did not feel very hungry in the morning. She checked her phone while drinking coffee. Messages. News. Social media. She scrolled and scrolled. Time passed quickly. "Oh no," she said. "I am late." She put on her clothes quickly. She grabbed her bag. She ran out of the apartment. Lily took the bus to work every day. The bus was always full. People stood close to each other. Some people looked tired. Some looked angry. Some looked empty. Lily stood and held the handle. She looked out of the window. The city moved fast. Cars. Shops. People. When she arrived at the office, it was already busy. "Good morning," her coworker said. "Good morning," Lily replied. She sat at her desk. She turned on the computer. Emails came in one by one. She answered them. She worked quietly. Sometimes she felt bored. Sometimes she felt stressed. At noon, Lily ate lunch at her desk. She ordered food online. Rice. Chicken. Vegetables. She ate quickly. She did not talk much. After lunch, she felt sleepy. The afternoon was long. Her eyes hurt from the screen. Her shoulders felt tight. She wanted to go home. Finally, the workday ended. Lily packed her bag. She took the bus home. The bus was still full. When she arrived home, it was dark. She opened the door. She took off her shoes. She sat on the sofa. She felt tired. Very tired. She did not want to cook. She ordered food again. She ate while watching videos. Time passed. At 10:30, Lily went to bed. She lay down. She looked at the ceiling. She felt empty. "Is this my life?" she thought. Every day was the same. Wake up. Work. Eat. Sleep. Lily did not feel bad. But she did not feel good either. One night, Lily could not sleep. She turned left. She turned right. She checked her phone again. Then she stopped. She put the phone down. She sat up. "I need to change something," she said softly. But she did not know what. The next morning, Lily woke up again at 6:30. The alarm rang. She wanted to press it. But she stopped. She sat up slowly. She took a deep breath. She did not check her phone. She opened the window. Cool air came in. She heard birds. She felt something new. It felt calm. She went to the kitchen. She made coffee. But this time, she sat at the table. She drank slowly. She looked outside. She did not use her phone. It felt strange. But it felt good. That day, Lily walked to the bus stop more slowly. She looked around. She saw a small flower near the road. She never saw it before. At work, Lily still worked hard. But she took short breaks. She stood up. She stretched. She drank water. At lunch, she did not eat at her desk. She went outside. She sat on a bench. She ate slowly. She watched people walk by. She felt lighter. That evening, Lily did not order food. She went to the kitchen. She cooked something simple. Rice. Eggs. Vegetables. It was not perfect. But it was warm. After dinner, Lily cleaned the dishes. She felt proud. She went to the balcony. She stood there quietly. The city lights were bright. The air was cool. She breathed slowly. That night, Lily slept better. The next days, Lily tried small changes. Very small. She woke up 5 minutes earlier. She drank more water. She walked more slowly. She stopped using her phone before sleep. She read a simple book. At first, it was hard. She wanted to scroll. She wanted to watch videos. But she tried. Some days she failed. Some days she did well. She did not blame herself. Small steps, she said. One weekend, Lily cleaned her apartment. She opened windows. She threw away old things. Old papers. Old boxes. She felt lighter. She rearranged her room. She moved the bed. She moved the table. It felt like a new place. On Sunday morning, Lily went for a walk. She walked in a small park near her home. She never went there before. There were trees. There were old people walking. There were children playing. Lily sat on a bench. She watched quietly. She smiled. "I like this," she said. Weeks passed. Lily's life did not change fast. Her job was the same. Her apartment was the same. But she was different. She felt more present. She felt more awake. She cooked more. She walked more. She rested better. One day, a coworker said, "You look different." Lily smiled. "Really?" she said. "Yes," the coworker said. "You look calmer." Lily felt happy. One evening, Lily felt very tired again. Work was hard. The bus was crowded. She sat on the sofa. She felt old feelings come back. Stress. Boredom. She closed her eyes. She took a deep breath. "It's okay," she said. "Tomorrow is another day." She did not fight the feeling. She let it pass. The next morning, she woke up. The sun came in through the window. She smiled. Life was still normal. But normal did not mean bad. Normal days could be good days. Slow days could be full days. Months passed. Lily kept her small habits. Not every day, but many days. She learned something important. You do not need a big change. You do not need a new job. You do not need a new life. Sometimes, you only need to live your day a little more gently. Lily still woke up at 6:30. She still took the bus. She still worked. But now, she noticed her life. And that changed everything. Daily life is not boring. We are just not looking. Small habits can change how you feel. Slow down. Breathe. Take care of yourself. A normal day can be a good day.